Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a table in Excel using a mobile device. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have opened my mobile phone and I'm going to create a table in Excel. So first of all, I'm going to open up my Excel application on this mobile phone. I'm going to go to the Microsoft application, and then to create an Excel document, we can choose the Excel option right here, and then I'm going to select blank workbook. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can create a table in this Excel. If we want to create a table, we can select how many columns and how many rows we want to add to our table, like this. And then after that, you're going to add border to your table. You can go to this option or this menu. Okay, you can click on this little arrow. Okay, then you can go to the borders, and I'm going to select the all borders. Okay, then you can customize the line style right here, and you can also change the line color, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then you can add your data to your table right here. For example, I'm going to input data of student score. I'm going to type a number and then name and then score and then pass or fail, like this. Okay, then you can also add fill color to your table guys. I'm going to add fill color to the first row, and if you want to add fill color, you can click on this option, and then you can choose the color that you like this. And I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to select this option and then click on this bold option. Okay, now it's done guys. As you can see that the table has been created, and then you can input your data to your table right here. You can also customize the size of the column and the row like this, and you can adjust it until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a table in Excel using a mobile device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.